Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing video for you, and this time it's Van Cleef and Arpels again. I must say that I have total obsession with Van Cleef because their jewelry is so beautiful, and especially one of the models and design that I really like, and I have purchased another one that falls under the same series. So as usual, let's unbox this together really quickly so that we do not have to go through all the long stories. And this one I purchased from my usual Van Cleef store, where they give me this, envelope of the receipt and the information about the resizing that I've done in the store. What they have provided is also this. And I must say, the overall customer experience is really one of the best. In the store, they actually provide you whatever drinks that you want. They provide you the dessert, they provide you the chocolates, and unfortunately I didn't film them because I was so busy looking at all the jewelries. Really busy doing that. Okay, and this is the cloth, the jewelry cloth that you use to wipe your jewelry. As usual, they provide this whenever you buy something from them, so that you can use it when you finish wearing your jewelry. You take it out, do a good wipe. Okay, the next one is this is another booklet. Yeah, for my receipt. And then of course you have this care advice services booklet. And so here, I think worldwide they standardized, they always give this together with the cloth. Let me know in the comment section if you find that what you have received from your boutique is different from mine, because I'm not sure if this is like a standardized package that they give, like all these care booklets. Okay, now we have got a certificate, authenticity certificate, yeah. And over here it does state the date of your purchase and the serial number of your jewelry. Next up, of course, is the most exciting part, which is the unboxing of my jewelry. It's over here. Here's the box. And as you can see from the box itself, you can already tell what is inside, but I still have got to unbox this in front of you. And this is really an exciting one. It's like advanced Christmas present for myself. And to be honest, even if it is not Christmas, I would have bought this. So this is the box that it comes in with. And from the box, you would have already known that this is actually a bracelet. Fail. Let's do it again. You would have already known this is a bracelet. So nice, right? If you have watched my earlier video, you would have seen that I have already purchased the gold version. It's an 18K gold Guilloche bracelet. And this is the white gold version. I am obsessed with the full gold version of anything, because I'm actually not into high maintenance stones and rocks. Like for example, I was earlier very interested in the chameleon stone, and then after that is the onyx and also the malachite. But then after hearing the advice from my sales associate, he's saying that you can't really wear those stones for hand wash or soap. Then I was thinking, like, what's the point? So I might as well get a full gold, which is of course higher in value, more worth it, and you can wear it for bath, for swimming, for maybe even going to the pool and the beach, So that's why I got this. It's the full 18K white gold Guilloche bracelet. Let me know if I'm pronouncing this wrong. I've heard different pronunciation at different places, so do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, and I also did a resizing, the way I resize my bracelet, because I've got a really small wrist. So how I did my resizing is that in the middle where my small little wrist is able to display the flowers, I told my sales associate to actually make the chains shorter right in the middle so that I can see more of the flowers for my wrist. And whatever that is outstanding, we will leave it to the hooks section. Yeah. So the same thing I did to my gold bracelet. Initially, if you were to watch my first unboxing of this bracelet, the gold version, I actually had 3 links here, and 2 links at the hook portion. And that problem is that when I wear that, I see less of a flower, maybe like 2 flowers at any one time. But now I learned to be smart, and I told him that I also want to redo the links for my gold one so that it will be like this. I have 2 chains in the middle and 3 towards the corners. So when I wear both of them, the white gold as well as the gold, I can see more of those beautiful flowers, and the unseen portion, which is the hook, it'll be hidden at the bottom. Yeah, you don't need the flowers to be so close at the bottom where you can't even see it, right? Yeah. So this is what I did, and here's my plan. I'm going to wear this white gold bracelet at my left hand together with my white gold cartier, and then I'm going to wear the gold version at my right at, you know, other days where I match other gold color bracelet, maybe with my MS rose gold bangle. I have 2 of them. Maybe I'll wear 3 of them and stack them together with my 18K gold version. And I do have the 18K gold Alhambra gold ring. Did I show you the, oh yeah, I did the unboxing of that as well. You can scroll down to the history of my post, and you will see that unboxing of the ring in my past video. Let me know what you think. Do you think the white gold is better or the gold version? I have both of them, and I'm thinking I should keep both, right? Because they're so beautiful. Do you agree? Do you think the white gold is nicer or the gold? Let me know again down in the comment section below. That's about it for my unboxing video today, and I hope to see you in my next one. Take care, guys. Goodbye.